Hi everybody, today we're going to be working on what trigonometry is. You use it to find sides with just angles or angles with just sides. And as I wrote here, theta is a Greek word used for naming angles. And by the way, sorry if my triangle is bad. The longest side in the triangle, C, in this case, is called a hypotenuse. And short form is written as HYP. Note that trigonometry can only be done in a right angle triangle, which is what I have labeled between the sides A and B. Trigonometry cannot be used for the right angle. The hypotenuse, as I mentioned, is the longest side. B is the adjacent side, as it's adjacent to the angle theta. We have to do it to the angle theta. For example, if you do it to the other angle that's not theta or the right angle, B would be the opposite side, which is now A. A is the side opposite to the angle, which means they're not in contact at any point. You can't do this with right angles because the opposite side is the hypotenuse, and you will learn why later. And you can write it like that, opposite side, and that is to the angle theta. You have to do trigonometry that way because 3 ratios are going to be coming, and that's how we can calculate angles from sides and sides from angles. And as I said, these are all to the angle theta. These are all for the angle theta. So I'm changing the color just to make things more clear. Sine, which is a sine, S-I-N-E, is a ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse, which means the side opposite to the angle over the hypotenuse. Cosine, cos, is a ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse, which means that cos of angle theta is B by C and sine of angle theta is A by C. However, there's one more called tangent. It's the opposite side divided by the adjacent side, which in this case is A by B. There are many major ratios. For example, tan of an angle 45 is 1 and things like that. So let's say sine theta is 1. So 1 is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse side. They are both equal in length. So A can be written as B tan theta using cross multiplication, and we're done. So I'll just explain a bit more where there's no video. I can just tell that, for example, if sine theta is 30, sine 30 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So sine 30 is a ratio, and that's a ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse side. Cos 30 is the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse side. Let's just say theta is 30 degrees. And tan 30 is the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side. Thank you, and I hope you've learned something new from this video.